Hello, everybody. I'm Aprajita, and I welcome you all on behalf of ALEC Institute, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. So, this video we have specifically prepared for candidates who are preparing for MP Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2021 and who are looking for most important question on the subject computer. So, without wasting time, let's quickly start with it. So, कंप्यूटर के फाउंडर है चार्ल्स बाबेज, इंटरनेट के है विन सर्फ, कंप्यूटर माउस डिस्कवर करा था डॉगलस एंगल बार्ट ने, फर्स्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर डेवलप्ड इन इंडिया वाज पैराम एंड सी प्लस लैंग्वेज वाज डेवलप्ड बाय ब्रजान स्ट्रॉस्ट्रप. कुछ हम इंपॉर्टेंट एब्रिविएशन देख लेते हैं. BIOS is basic input output system. COBOL is common business oriented language. CRT is cathode ray tube. DTP is desktop publishing. DVD is digital versatile disk. EPROM is erasable programmable read only memory. EEPROM is electronically erasable programmable read only memory. PROM is programmable read only memory. Fortran is one of the kind of a language. Its full form is for formula transaction. LLP is low level language. RTF is rich text format. Whereas UOS is uninterruptible power supply and USB is universal serial bus. अब ये वाली चीज देख लेते हैं, मेमोरी मेजरमेंट यूनिट, जो कि बहुत बार एमपी सिविल जज प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. सो 1 निबल इज इक्वल टू 4 बिट्स. ठीक है, 1 निबल इज इक्वल टू 4 बिट्स. 1 बाइट इज इक्वल टू 8 बिट्स. अब यूजली हम लोग को कंफ्यूजन इसमें होता है कौन सा पहले, केबी एमबी कौन बड़ा है. ठीक है, सो आई हैव अ ट्रिक हियर. रिमेंबर विथ किड mother, grandmother and great grandmother. ठीक है, then we have play, we have eat, and then we have Z and Y, the remaining alphabet. So it is kid, mother, grandmother, great mother, play, eat, Z and Y. So 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB. अगर आपको ये याद रहेगा तो आपको ये सब भी याद हो जाएंगे. 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. 1 TB is equal to 1024 GB. 1 PB is equal to 1024 TB. 1 EB is equal to 1024 PB. 1 ZB is equal to 1024 EB. And 1 YB is equal to ZB. So kid, mother, grandmother, great grandmother, that all together are playing, eating, and then remaining alphabet Z and Y. Then we have few types of computer, that is workstation is one of the type of computer, mainframe computer, mini computer, supercomputer, and notebook, which is the smallest type of computer. Okay? So mainframe computer are usually the large and expensive computer which are capable of simultaneously processing data for hundreds or thousands of users. Whereas supercomputer is also called as fastest computer. So remember supercomputer as the fastest computer and notebook as the smallest type of computer. Whereas capacitive, resistive, strain gauge is the type of touchscreen technology. ये भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं कि which of the following are the touchscreen technology. So it is capacitive, resistive, strain gauge are the type of touchscreen technology. Then we have a term named netiquette, that rules of behavior which is to be followed on internet communication are called as netiquette. फिर सर्च इंजन पूछ लेते हैं कि कौन कौन से सर्च इंजन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर सर्च इंजन. सो रिमेंबर ऑल दीज: अल्टा विस्टा, डॉकटुल, हॉटबॉट, लाइकोस, याहू, गूगल, डक डक गो, ऑल दीज आर सर्च इंजन. लेकिन प्राइमरली अभी हम लोग सिर्फ याहू एंड गूगल यूज कर रहे हैं, आपको पता होगा, और ये सारी चीजें वी आर नॉट यूजिंग नाउ. Then we have software devices and we have hardware devices. तो hardware आपको पता है, they are the physical components, physical part of the devices. Whereas software हमारे it refers to the programs. ठीक है, so software refers to the programs and the primary purpose of software is to turn data into information. अब software भी हमारे दो टाइप के होते हैं, एक होता है system software, एक होता है application software. ठीक है, तो let's see कि system software में क्या क्या होते हैं. So we have two type of software, system software and then we have application software. System software is further categorized into operating system, translator, DBMS, that is database management system, and then we have utility. Okay? And another we have is application software. Okay? So let's first see what is system software. So in system software, we the computer user, we interact primarily with the application software. And application software हमारे वही MS Excel हो गया, MS Word हो गया and all that. ठीक है? So in system software, the users interact primarily with the application software, whereas the system software hota hai, it enables the application software to interact with the computer hardware. ठीक है? System software is a background software that helps the computer to manage its own internal resources. And the system software is not a single program, rather it is a collection of programs. ठीक है? System software is not a single program, rather, it is a collection of programs, including the operating system, utilities, and device drivers, etc. Again, I am repeating these are the kinds of system software, operating system, translator, DBMS, utility, etc. Now, these operating system they act as a mediator between the hardware and the application software and the user. So Ubuntu, MS Windows, MS DOS, Linux, Unix, all these are the kinds of operating system. Where booting is loading the computer system into a personal computer, and computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system, obviously. And the operating system tells the computer how to use its component. Whereas operating system is said to be multitasking if more than one program can run simultaneously. However, आपके लिए यहाँ पे ये important है types of operating system: Ubuntu, MS Windows, MS DOS, Linux, and Unix. The translator basically translator converts the programming language into machine language, ठीक है? Or it converts the source code into object code. Or assembler, compiler, and interpreter. All these are through all these we can translate. Then DBMS is database management system, and the utility are also called as service program. ठीक है? And it is through utility it make easy to use a computer. अब यूटिलिटीज में हम देख लेते हैं क्या क्या आते हैं यूटिलिटी के अंदर. Disk formatting, disk cleaner, disk compression, backup program, virus scanner, debugger, and disk fragmentation. All these will fall in the category of utilities. ठीक है? And utility make easy to use a computer. फिर application software is a software which enable us to do a specific task, which enable us to do a particular task. So MS Office हो गया हमारा, Abort, PageMaker, Open Office, word processing programs, spreadsheet या MS Excel, PowerPoint, photo editing, computer graphics, all these are the types of application software. And Ubuntu is the open source software. अब हम क्विकली एक बार देख लेते हैं इनपुट डिवाइस क्या होती है, आउटपुट डिवाइस क्या होती है. So input device it is used to provide data. ठीक है? In output device we receive data. So let's see कि input device में क्या क्या fall होगा. So web camera, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. Remember microphone also. All these are the types of input device. ठीक है? Web camera, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. Whereas speaker and headphone. So remember microphone here is an input device, and speaker and headphone are output device. So speaker, headphone, monitor, computer monitor, platter, screen image, projector, printer, all these are the type of output device. Printer भी हमारे दो types के होते हैं, impact printer and non-impact printer. Then we have page printer and laser printer. Page printer is basically इसमें आपका एक page एक ही बार में print होगा. And laser printer में it is among the fastest printer. ठीक है? So we have impact printer, non-impact printer, page printer, and we have laser printer. Then we have memory and storage device. दो टाइप की मेमोरी होती है, एक होती है प्राइमरी मेमोरी और सेकेंडरी मेमोरी. प्राइमरी मेमोरी फर्दर बाइफरकेट होती है into two volatile memory and non-volatile memory. In volatile memory, it basically requires power to store the information, whereas in non-volatile memory, it does not require power to store the information. So RAM is the volatile memory, and RAM is located on the motherboard. Temporary memory is also called as RAM. ये आपको पता होगा. Cache is also known by temporary memory, and it is in temporary memory where information is temporarily stored. ठीक है? In RAM memory, the information is temporarily stored while it is being accessed or worked on the processor. And with the moment you switch off the power, volatile memory loses all its data. ठीक है? And then we have non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory basically does not require power to store all the information. And non-volatile storage retains its data even if the system is turned off. So HDD, that is hard disk drive, is the storage device and are considered as non-volatile storage. और जो हमारी ROM हो गई, PROM हो गया, EPROM हो गया, EEPROM हो गया, all these are non-volatile memory. Then we have secondary storage. Secondary storage हमारे hard disk, CD-ROM, CD are readable and writable. pen drive, floppy disk, DVD, magnetic tape. All these are the types of secondary storage. Whereas floppy is not a secondary storage. And so in secondary storage, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. Now, the basic difference between memory and storage is that memory is temporary and secondary storage is permanent. ठीक है? Then एक बार देख लेते हैं कौन कौन सी languages है हमारी computer language. So Algol, Logo, Basic, C++, COBOL, Comal, Fortran, that is formula transaction, Java, Pascal, SQL, all these are the types of high level oriented language. And remember, Java here is the pure object oriented language. Then we have smart shortcuts, जो कि MPS equation पूछ लेता है. जो control shift alt है, these are called as modifier keys. And if you want to make the number pad to act as a directional arrows, you obviously have to press the caps lock key. Then key to start PowerPoint presentation is F5. And if you want to close all the currently active application software, you have to press Alt plus 4. And Control plus M is a shortcut used to add a new slide in the current presentation. And if you want to go to the last line in the document, you have to press Control plus End. ठीक है? Then we have first computer virus, जिसको creeper कहते हैं. Creeper is the first computer virus. Error is known as bug. Polymorphic, worms, fat, all these are the type of computer virus, but not retro. ठीक है? Then debug is a term which denotes error correction process, and computer virus is a computer program. And then last we have zoom कि हम PowerPoint को कितना zoom कर सकते हैं, तो it is still 400% तक. और MS Word में हम मैक्सिमम जूम कर सकते हैं 500% तक. तो ये हमारे कुछ बेसिक कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चन थे जो MP सिविल जज प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम में यूजुअली पूछा जाता है या जा सकता है. So if you like this video, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you want the PDF of this video, it is available on the Telegram channel. You may find it from there. Till then, guys, bye bye. Take care.